Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make Jiffy Cornbread taste homemade. To start, swap out the water called for in the box mix with 1 cup of milk or buttermilk. This simple change adds richness. Next, incorporate an extra large egg into your batter for a noticeably moister result. Finally, use 4 tablespoons of melted butter instead of oil to infuse a wonderful, homemade buttery taste. Let's boost the flavor and texture even further. Add 1/4 cup of sour cream or plain yogurt to the batter. This provides a lovely tang and keeps the cornbread incredibly moist. For a delightful bite, fold in 1/2 cup of fresh or frozen corn kernels. If you prefer a sweeter profile, mix in 2 tablespoons of sugar or honey for that perfect homemade touch. For those who enjoy a savory twist, consider these additions. Fold in 1/2 cup of shredded cheddar cheese for a rich, savory flavor that melts beautifully. If you like a little heat, add 2 tablespoons of finely chopped jalapenos to the mix. For a truly hearty cornbread, stir in 1/4 cup of cooked bacon bits or crumbled sausage. Achieving the perfect bake is crucial for homemade taste. Preheat a 9-inch cast iron skillet with 2 tablespoons of butter in your oven. This creates an incredibly crispy crust. Bake your cornbread at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes, or until golden brown. Remember, do not overmix the batter. A few small lumps are fine and ensure a tender, delicious result.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.